Everyone, this is Katie here. Today's video is about the trades being placed during the week of 16 June 2025 to 20 June 2025. Bear in mind, this week has only 4 trading days as Thursday is a public holiday. Okay, let's take a look at the portfolio here. So for this week, it's about 7.48% gain. Month to date, it's about 18.86% gain. Year to date for this year, it's about 39.23%. And since inception, about 203.9%. So I think the portfolio is growing strong. Let's see at the end of 2025 how the portfolio is going to fare. So without further ado, let's look at the market yesterday. So I think stock market news, June 20th, 2025. Oil prices dropped Friday after Trump signals he'll give Iran negotiations time. Okay. So guess oil drop. Well, and if you look at the maps here, greens and red I can see in the different sectors. Technology with Apple gaining, but the rest of the companies are on a negative price action. Semiconductors, AMD is up, but Nvidia is down. Consumer defensive is up. Consumer cyclical mix. Communication services, Google, Meta is down. Okay. Financials, I think majority is up. Healthcare, majority is down. Okay. Never mind. Let's look at the trades that are being placed. Okay. Let's see. Pfizer sold puts expiring June 27, 2025 at 162.5. This trade was done because I wanted the dollar cost average the amount of Pfizer shares. I got assigned Pfizer shares at 167.5, so decided to sell puts at 162.5 to make the average price to be 165. Got a premium of a credit 2.30. Next, STZ puts roll from June 27, 2025 to July 3rd, 2025 for the premium. That's a premium gain of about 2.5 here. So why July 3rd? Because STZ earnings are that week. So the premium is higher comparing to other weeks. So that's why roll STZ puts to July 3rd. Regardless whether the earnings are great or bad, I'm actually wanting to get STZ assigned. I want to hold this stock for the long run. Um, this is because Warren Buffett has this stocks in his portfolio, and when I look at the historical data during the tariffs that were being declared, STZ uh, actually has less than 20% decrease in price. So this is a good stock to hold to actually defend against any drop in the portfolio. Next, AMD roll from July 18 to August 1st saw that AMD price action were quite bullish, hence got a premium of about 1.75. Next week probably will roll AMD 1 week later again just to get the premium. And HIMS sold $55 strike price at expiring June 2025. So premium was 0.57 a credit. This was chosen $55 because the premium is about 1% of the strike price. More than 1% of the strike price. Next, bought back OXY because saw that the market was actually not taking consideration of the war that's ongoing. So OXY is dropping. So did not want to accumulate OXY, hence decided to buy back the option sold for OXY at a debit of 0.6. Next, AMD roll my cost at 120 to from July 18 to August 1st. So there is a premium of about 2.25 credit gain here. Uh, Bought back STZ puts at 160. So there's a debit of 2.7 here. Expiring June 27. So was actually, although I want to hold STZ, but I calculated that there are a lot of puts sold for STZ in that is in the money. So saw that STZ was above 160, so decided to close this at a good premium price here. So debit 2.7. Next, AAPL expiring June 20 at 195 strike price, with a credit of 1.4. So got into Apple because of all the debits that I have uh, or rather all the puts that have closed that resulted me in a debit position. So I sold AAPL just to get the credit to so-called compensate the debit. So got a credit of 1.4. Next, sold SCZ calls at 170, expiring June 20 25 June 27. Got a credit of 0.71 and 0.72. Teams sold puts at $50 strike price, expiring June 27, 2025. The strike price was chosen because the premium was 0.53, more than 1%. And then decided to hedge my portfolio with gold. So GDXJ uh, got into this counter, sold puts expiring June 20 and June 27 at $69 strike price. It was at the money, so got credit of 0.73 and 1.35. So decided to close my Pfizer calls here because I'm anticipating Pfizer to be in a bullish price action. Hence, uh, with this, when Pfizer is going upwards above 24 or 25, and then decided to sell calls at 26, which will net me a higher premium. So got a debit of 0.02. AAPL sold more, bought puts for AAPL at uh, 185 with a debit of 2.27 and sold puts at 190 expiring July 18 at 3.44. This is a spread here. So just in case that I'm actually bullish on Apple, but if it drops, I have at least limited my loss to $5. So with this spread executed, it's about $1.17 credit. Okay. Next, saw that SEZ was going downwards to 160. And then I think 160 is psychological support here. So instead of selling puts, I bought the stocks, two lots, and then sell the call on July 3rd at 160. With this move, I gain a premium of 6.42 credit for this. And then Pfizer got a sign during the public holiday because Pfizer was trending downwards. Got a sign uh, for contracts. And I think it's okay because last week I actually sold Pfizer calls. Instead, actually naked Pfizer calls for lots. So getting a signed Pfizer here uh, actually gives me assurance that it won't be a naked call position. Sold more hymns expiring June 27, 2025 at $55 with a premium of 0.6. So that hymns price action was bullish, trending upwards. That's why I decided to sell more hymns. So GDXJ call it advanced before market close because I know that I'm going to get a sign. Got a credit of 0.72. And then I have existing position of Pfizer at $24 puts that were being sold expiring June 20, 2025. Bought back the calls bought back the puts at 0.06 because I realized that Pfizer is a big concentration in my portfolio. Decided to limit my exposure to this. So decided not to accumulate more Pfizer positions here. Hence decided to close this position. So I think that's all for this week. Um, Probably next week still monitor the market. I'm trending towards a more defensive position here. Um, and with my accessibility, which is about 40 to 50% of my portfolio, I am quite uh, so-called comfortable to weather against any storm or any bad news in the market. Um, let's see how it goes for next week. Probably I'll be looking at more hymns, and if Pfizer stocks trend upwards, we'll decide to sell more calls or sell more puts in regards to this. Okay, I think that's all for today. So remember to like this YouTube video and like this YouTube channel. Remember to turn on your notification bell. Have a great day, everyone. Signing off here.